let's get into the video. Today we're recreating a look from the SavagexFenty fashion show. Oh, you guys, I don't know if you saw it. You know, I'm gonna share with you a little picture, but just the flowers, the natural elements, the lingerie, she ate. Mama ate, left no crumbs. Okay, so I'm gonna get into it. I'm excited. Let's go. So you already know we're gonna start with brows. We're gonna do kind of like a more naturalist boy brow. Now you know the vibes. We concealing. Blend it out. We're just gonna go in with some more base on our eye. Oh God, this stuff is almost gone. So now we're just gonna take this light blue shade here. Just take this right into my crease. Very cute, very light, nothing crazy. Get it up. And while you're blending that here, don't be afraid to take it out. You know? You don't gotta stay in one place. Build it up and take it out. Like you should do with your girlfriends, you know what I'm saying? Build them up and take them out. Period. To get a little shimmer on our eyeshadow, we're gonna spray our brush. Get your brush, your little flat brush, and just spray it out. It sounds crazy, not a lot, right? Like four was probably a lot, but just a little moist. And then dippy. Ah, yes. So NYX Bare With Me primer. Ooh. Next, only because it's right, Swarovski's. To stick on our gems, we are going to use our trusty bestie lash glue, applying lash glue where we want our gems. Foundation. Okay, you guys know the vibes. Conceal next. And just put that under our eye. I think we most definitely 100%, 10,000% need some highlighter though, so. And now, okay, so all we really need to do is a lippy. I'm just gonna do brown because it would go off with this look. And lastly, just to be a little bit extra, I'm going to take that highlights. Now, bear with me as I go and put my wig on and lashes. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when we're done. And we have a finished look. Absolutely. A true serve, if I do say so myself. I feel like a mystical being. Like, I just feel like a part of nature. Like, I am Mother Nature, okay? Queen Mother Nature to you. Of course, you can go check out the rest of them right on my Instagram page, where I share a whole gallery of them for you to look through. If you want to like them, that'd be sweet of you. Yeah, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you ate hella food. I did. Yeah, I have a lot in store for you guys for Christmas, so be ready. Join me on Monday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can make sure you're here next time I post another video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.